Okay, so I'm just doing a very quick test for the on the fly Sony A7C Mark II kind of talking head shot DJI Mic Mini, but there's no receiver on the camera. This is connected straight to my Mac via Bluetooth, so kind of ad hoc, no lighting, camera as it is, and I think I've truly got an idea about the quality of the sensor, the whole dynamic range thing. There's no lighting at all, just the conservatory light. And we've got all the shadows. The mug looks like normal, natural skin tones. The blacks aren't black, they're coloured. That's not black, that's blue. Yeah, it's really interesting. And then we've got the Mic Mini as well, doing its thing. It's all right. This is okay. Now I guess the question is now, which one do I test next?